Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of Pokemon Go. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about the application of Pokemon Go and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again.